Well, this is to Caleb.
Your shout out video.
Okay. You're pretty cool.
Oh, I'm pretty.
You're funny. You're weird. But you're still awesome. That's all I gotta say.
Okay. Well, Caleb, I think you're pretty cool. You're funny. A little bit weird, I agree. But you're cute. And my friend has dibs on you, so it's cool. We can be friends. And you make me smile. I look so retarded in this video. I don't know. Please, just don't hold this video against me because I look really retarded. Hey, this is Casey's idea for these shout out videos. I regret them already. I don't know what else. Text me more. No, that sounds weird. I take that back. Scratch that. Okay, bye. This is awful. This is just trifling. I look cute.
Just turn the thing off.